In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to quickly add icons to Figma with Font Awesome. If you design interfaces in Figma, you know that finding clean, consistent icons can take time. The Font Awesome plugin makes it fast to browse, search, and place icons directly on your canvas, so you can stay in your design flow. First, go to Figma and open the file where you want to add icons. You can start from an existing project or a blank design. Either way, make sure the canvas you want is active so the icon lands in the right place. Next, look toward the toolbar for the action icon that opens add-ons. In most layouts, you'll find it near the bottom area of the app or as a puzzle piece icon labeled Resources. Click that to bring up options for extending Figma. From the panel that appears, choose Plugins and Widgets. This is where you can find tools created by the community. Plugins run inside your current file and are perfect for bringing in assets like icons. Now use the search bar to look for Font Awesome icons. Type the name clearly and you should see the official listing appear in the results. This plugin taps into the familiar Font Awesome library, giving you a huge range of solid, regular, and brand icons. Click the plugin to open it. The panel will load on top of your canvas. If it asks for any basic permissions, go ahead and confirm so it can place icons in your file. Inside the plugin, simply select any icon you want, and it will be imported automatically into your design. You can search by keyword, skim through categories, or filter for styles to match your UI. When the icon drops onto the page, it behaves like any vector object in Figma. You can resize it, change the fill color to match your design system, and align it precisely within frames or components. For crisp results, scale from the corners and keep stroke weights consistent with your typography and spacing. If your team uses specific icon styles, stay consistent, solid with solid, outline with outline, so your interface feels cohesive. If you don't see the icon immediately, zoom out a bit or check the Layers panel. It's typically placed at the center of your current view or inside the selected frame. That's the whole process, from opening Figma to placing a ready-to-use icon in seconds. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.